Hi everyone, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. This reading will cover the topic messages or your future between 9 to 15th August 2021. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is the amethyst, and this is pile B, which is the black tourmaline. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Before I proceed, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the amethyst right here, certainly you will benefit if you listen to the messages that you're receiving from the divine through your crown chakra. I think amethyst will help clear any blockages that you have with respect to the Sahasrara chakra. Definitely you can raise your vibration through this crystal. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the Nine of Cups. Certainly this week is going to present you for opportunities which you need to grab with both hands. Definitely you will come away making gains. I think you need to capitalize on the good beginnings. Surely you can accomplish your ends if you are dedicated and focused. Maybe paperwork is also going to increase. Rewards for your past work is also going to come in. Besides, I think your quick thinking will help you make gains. There will be those interruptions while you're working, so this could perturb you a bit. But then I think these challenges will also steel you for the future ahead. The next card in this reading is Rocket, which talks about voyage. Possibly, you could be making travel plans or you could be dealing with travel documents this week. This rocket card also signifies exploration. Maybe many of you are also interested in science and technology. It's no rocket science. Maybe things could be difficult, but then you need to get that project off the ground. Perhaps your ideas and plans could take off very quickly. Certainly this week you're going to gain knowledge, or you're going to be in an adventurous mode, or you're going to make that quick progress. Technically you could be challenged, but then you're going to learn along the way as well. I don't know how I feel anymore. Perhaps in personal relationships or in a romantic connection, you may be dealing with someone who is repressing his or her feelings. I think you also want to reach out to this person with a quick message, but then your family elders or even your confidant could ask you to keep away rather than be persuasive. Maybe some of you are in a third party situation, so the question of fidelity could also affect your relationship this week. Nevertheless, I think your angels are also assuring you that you're safe and protected, whether in career matters or in romantic matters. Maybe some of you may want to change your career or you have other plans. Certainly you're being supported along the way. I think this card also heralds that this is the right time to make that change. Your angels will certainly guide you. The next card in this reading is the Heart Chakra. I think the answers that you seek with respect to a relationship or with respect to professional matters is there within you. You just have to listen to your heart. I think many of you also need to be open to giving and receiving love. Perhaps you're closed off. Like I said, you may be somebody who could put off writing a message to the person you fancy because family elders or your confidant asked you not to do so. Perhaps it's not the right time. Whatever decision you make, you should be rest assured that you're guarded and protected. In case your heart is wounded on account of past relationships, I think you have that chance to repair your heart and your relationships. A failed past relationship doesn't mean that you can't love again. In case you are in an unhappy connection, pile A, you're also in a situation to walk out of that relationship. You need to take action. This is why we also have this card, Breaking Barriers. Certainly you need to remove those obstacles in the path. Don't let fear or reason prevent you from overcoming those barriers in your relationship. You should trust your instinct. Maybe it's not going to be easy, but then the situation will sort out all by itself and peace will reign. Sometimes, the universe asks us to go with the flow, but this isn't the time to do so. Maybe there are self-imposed barriers here. You cannot let fear prevent you from moving forward in life. Surely, Pile, if you listen to your heart and if you break those barriers, then you can see the light. You will make that progress. Besides, like I said, opportunities are going to come in. In fact, unexpected gains are also on the cards this week for you. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is a black tourmaline here, I think there are certain blockages with respect to your chakras. Maybe there's also negative energy which is hindering your progress this week. So you need to safeguard yourself. Perhaps you need to do some aura cleansing as well. I think salt water healing will also benefit you a great deal this week to ward off the evil forces. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Five of Cups. Like I said, the energy surrounding you is one of loss and grief. Possibly, you could be in a state of mourning. Maybe you have to let go of something or someone whom you hold dear or close to your heart. Perhaps this is a challenge for you. It could be an emotionally draining period. But then you need to accept God's plan. In personal relationships also, Pile B, it would be prudent for you to clarify before you point fingers. Maybe there's mistrust in a relationship. It would be best to keep your cards close to your chest rather than reveal everything in public. Sometimes, it's best to keep to ourselves rather than get embroiled in arguments. On the other hand, professionally, I think you need to focus on work. Maybe your boss or your superior could ask you to do a task at short notice. Your colleagues will definitely rally around you, those who are kindly disposed towards you, that is. But then you feel that your boss is taking spites on you. Some of you could also be dealing with backbiting or conspiracy. Like I said, there are negative forces which are there. Nevertheless, Pile B, you can take heart from the fact that there will be new clients. Maybe a former client is also going to return to you and ask for your services. Whatever it may be, despite the hindrances in the path, you're going to complete a lot of tasks. Even though emotionally it may not be your best period, but we have this card enchanting or enchanted here. Possibly, several members of the opposite sex are mesmerized by your beauty and grace. Internally, you may not feel up to it, but then those who are observing you are swept off their feet. Perhaps, Pile B, you could also meet someone who is quite enigmatic. Incidentally, there could also be a work idea which could capture your imagination this week, so you need to work on that. I miss you regardless of how things seem. Like I said, you could be in mourning or you could be heartbroken. Maybe you're missing someone. Or perhaps this is the energy which is involved here. I think whether you're romantically involved with this person or not, you may be thinking about this person, or perhaps as somebody who is missing you. If you focus on your beliefs or if you focus on service, I think you will be divinely guided. Everything will be taken care of because we have this card, infinite abundance. Surely you needn't fret over how your needs will be met. I think you're someone who is going to be completely supported by your angels and guides this week. Abundance is coming in your life. You just have to pay attention to the third eye chakra, the Ajna chakra. Maybe you're somebody who's clairvoyant or who's getting those visions and dreams. Sometimes, we wonder whether these dreams are real or imaginary. Be rest assured that these are accurate insights that the spirit guides or your angels are giving you. I think you should understand that your psychic vision is taking you to the right path. You are rising above despite it all. Like this lady here, you're stepping into your own power. Besides, the lotus rises out of the mud into the light here. So you're rising up to even greater heights. I think this week you have to leave behind some people, but then you should let your light shine for all those who value you. Perhaps by the end of the week, you're somebody who is going to rise above all the trials and tribulations that this week presented for you. I hope Pile B, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.